Behind every successful man, there is a woman. And behind every successful woman, there is a fabulous bag. Handbags are also a form of self-expression and a reflection of their personal style. The type of handbag they choose can convey their personality, taste, and even social status. Some girls may prefer designer handbags, while others may opt for more affordable or trendy options. Overall, the textile bag market in India has a significant potential for growth, considering the country's large population and increasing environmental awareness. What if I tell you that today, if you want to start, you can start a business of cloth bag or textile bag for just 50,000 rupees. Do you want to know more? Well, Freedom app is always there for you. Today, if you are starting your textile bag manufacturing business, you are not only catering to the domestic market, but also internationally. We at Freedom app wants the best for you. Thus, we have extensively researched and identified and collaborated with a mentor who will tell you the nuances of this business. We have Miss Tanya. Tanya started her career as fashion consultant. After getting the exposure in the industry, she joined her father's business. Today, the father and daughter duo have been running Eddie Fashion Bags and doing pretty well. So let's understand what you will learn from this course. Fundamentals of textile bag manufacturing. Understand the basic of starting a textile bag manufacturing business. Get your business off the ground with the legalities. Raw material, equipment, manpower and resource management. The complete bag making process. Master techniques for creating visually appealing and functional packaging that will make your bag stand out in the market. Discover the best strategies for selecting a location, creating a marketing plan, and building a brand that will attract and retain customers. Learn how to manage expenses effectively, set competitive prices, and track profits for maximum profitability and growth. You will learn all this and much more from this exclusively designed course. Not just that, you will also get a certificate after the completion of the course. And you can also connect with more than 1 crore users at our marketplace. Download the app now and get access to the full course. The details about the app are in the description below. Hurry up and download Freedom app.